Hi all, myself Yavana from Chennai, from a German-based pharmaceutical company. I work as a trainer. Here in this NLP program, two things I would like to share. So one thing is related to my personal goals, how I should make some personal changes. So that is one thing, and the other thing, how I'll be able to impact my sales team in their personal as well as professional growth. Coming to one personal thing which I would like to, which I wanted to be a better person of myself as a better Yavna was one thing that I shouldn't look at my mobiles late night and spend full of my time um, by just seeing videos late night. In that aspect, I was having this inertia. I would say how to overcome this was the challenge I was having here. So when resourceful anchor as well as the unresourceful anchor was done, and when both the anchors were done together to neutralize it, I felt that I have overcome this scenario. Last 2 3 days, I felt I was peacefully able to sleep without taking out my mobile. So this is one thing I felt that I have overcome. And the second thing which I felt most effective is that right usage of questions using Milton model as well as meta model. When to use meta model, when to use Milton model, so as to extract exact information which is required for them to do well for sales performance. Obviously, using or elaborating or bringing out the deleted information, when to delete the information, when to take out the deleted information from the people. It has effectively helped me, so that I feel better that I would be a good coach. So thanks to NLP as well as ISTD. Thank you.